buddy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Welcome back, everyone, to Echo Valley Homestead. I'm not sure what we're getting into exactly today, but I'll let you know here in a second. So, I just saw my dad head out to the barn on the little garden tractor. I think he's just moving some stuff around from the back here to the shed, but right now I just got home from a track meet. Sun's going down, so I don't know how long I'll be able to film, but hopefully the video on ice fishing comes out tomorrow, but I guess when you guys see this one it'll already be out, so hopefully you've been able to see that one. But if you haven't seen that one, make sure you go watch that one. We did an ice fishing video. We had one of our friends was here, Key was here, and yeah, we had a great time fishing. Caught a bunch of fish, so if you like fishing, go check that one out. And I'll see what we're doing today. I'm gonna talk to my dad. Okay. Got the lawnmower, the golf cart, another lawnmower, and we put all the loader attachments in here. Stuff we don't use as much in the back, and like the spear and the forks in the front because we use those more. And we have another lawnmower. We're gonna go see if it fits in here yet. What's up, Daisy? What's up? What are you doing? You gonna come say hi? Say hi. I know I don't have any food. I don't have any food, but you can still say hi. Spring's coming. Now you're following me. Spring is coming, that is for sure. Tomorrow is March 1st. Right now I'm struggling to remember if I already told you guys where we just got back from, but I just came back from a track meet, and we were, for our college, we run from Malone University, my sister and I. Recently I've had some injuries with my hip, so I haven't been running races or anything, but Carolyn, my sister, has still been running, and she ran a 5K yesterday and a 3K today. And here in Ohio we have an indoor track season, so there's a big complex that we have a track in, and so that's where we are today. Today was actually the last race of the season. It's getting warmer outside, so next up is outdoor track. We're gonna move to outdoor. So, Rover, you just love all the attention, don't you? Say hi. Hello. That's enough. Time to talk about serious business, Rover.
Well, you think it's gonna start?
I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, almost. It wants to start. There we go. So right here on the ground's a bunch of hay that's loose that they've tore out of their feeders. Dad's gonna pick it up and put it back in the feeder. I'm gonna put Rover to bed. Rover, let's go to bed. Rover! He's tormenting Daisy the donkey. Rover, come on! There he comes. Is it bedtime? Rover, hey, no. No. It wasn't really a question. I'm more telling you it's bedtime. Now, you might not remember this chicken coop because I haven't showed it much, but it used to be blue. And it used to sit right here. And about, I think it was a week or two ago, we had a crew come in and they tore off the old run and they put this new run and new siding on it. So, take a look at that. And not only that, but they also put new siding on this shed and put a new door on it because the old door you couldn't hardly open. Now we got a nice, heavy, solid wood door on there now. And this is just kind of a shed we keep some supplies in for the chickens and the goats and donkey, pig, all that small animals out here. So yeah, those two sheds really have been improved in the past week or two here. Everyone's coming. Dinner time! Nod. Don't worry, he's on the other side of the fence. Hello, everybody. You have a lot to say. Rover! Where'd you go? That stinker. Rover! The goats are just up on the roof. They're like, we didn't do anything. There he is. Alright, time for bed. Let me get your food. Come on, good boy. Come on. Whoa, look out. Give the camera a kiss. Good boy. Good boy. Dad was busy today. He got this whole side cleaned up. About a month or two ago, we tore a wall out of the shed there. And now it was sitting here in the yard, I guess in the run. And he got that all cleaned up today. I'll put a little video in there so you can see it. But that's about it. I just wanted to get on here and check back in and give you a weekly update. Rooster crow. But that's about it now. Even got the little window on here. Just a little coop. But big improvement from what it was. That might do it for today. Thank you guys for watching. And make sure you come back for the next one. We'll see you later.